Hello students, in this video we'll see the journal entries and steps to solve problems in this chapter, admission of a partner. In your question, you will be given balance sheet before admission and adjustments. As your answer, you will be asked to give journal entries or prepare ledger accounts, that is the revaluation account, partner's capital account, and new balance sheet, which is the opening balance sheet of the new firm. We have already seen how to prepare revaluation account in the previous video, and we already know how to prepare partner's capital account and balance sheet. So let's see the steps now. First, we have to transfer the capital balances of all partners appearing in balance sheet to partner's capital account. Then transfer all the assets and liabilities respectively to the new balance sheet. If there are any accumulated profits or losses appearing in the balance sheet, then transfer them to the old partner's capital account. After that, we need to pass effects for all the adjustments like capital brought in by new partner and goodwill if any, pass entries for revaluation of assets and liabilities, and adjustment of capital if any, and then pass closing entries to close the revaluation account, then partner's capital account, and at the end close the balance sheet and get it tallied. If you are asked to pass journal entries in the problem, then we start our journal entries from transfer of accumulated profits or losses. If accumulated profits or reserves are given on the liability side of the balance sheet, then we write reserves or accumulated profits account debit to old partner's capital account. So if there are general reserve, then general reserve account debit to old partner's capital account. And here we distribute that reserve among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. If there's accumulated losses which appear on the asset side of balance sheet, then the journal entry is old partner's capital account debit to accumulated losses. Then journal entries for the adjustments, capital brought in by new partner. We have already seen these journal entries in our previous videos. Capital brought in cash or bank account debit to new partner's capital account, and if any asset is brought in, asset account debit to new partner's capital account. Journal entries for goodwill under premium method, that is when goodwill is brought in cash. Journal entries for goodwill under valuation method, that is when goodwill is raised in the books of accounts. We have already discussed this in the previous video. Now let's see journal entries for revaluation of assets and liabilities. If there is any increase in the value of asset, our entry is asset account debit to revaluation account. And if there is any decrease in the value of asset, then we pass the journal entry as revaluation account debit to asset account. Increase in the value of liability, revaluation account will be debited to liability account, and decrease in the value of liability, liability account debit to revaluation account. Then if there are any unrecorded assets which are not recorded earlier, and now when we record them, the entry will be asset account debit to revaluation account. Similarly, unrecorded liability, revaluation account debit to liability. After passing all the revaluation entries, we close the revaluation account. So if there is profit on revaluation, it is transferred to partner's capital account. The entry is revaluation account debit to old partner's capital account. And if there is loss on revaluation, the entry will be old partner's capital account debit to revaluation account. Adjustment of capital, if any. So when the capital of partners are adjusted in new profit sharing ratio, the difference between the actual capital of the old partners, which appears in the books, and the proportionate capital, which is calculated, is adjusted normally through cash, bank, current account, or loan account. If there is surplus capital, that means the actual capital of the old partners is more than the proportionate capital which is calculated, then this will be paid to the partners either in cash or bank, or it will be transferred to their current account. And if the proportionate capital of the old partners is more than the actual capital balance appearing in the book, then the old partners have to bring in cash equivalent to the difference amount, or it will be transferred to their current account. So here the entry will be cash, bank, or current account debit to partner's capital account. It will be mentioned accordingly in the problem whether the adjustment has to be made in cash, bank, current account, or loan account. And then pass the closing entries. Students, keep these points in mind while solving the sums, and I'm sure this will help you to solve the sums easily. Thank you.